everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And this is a pretty odd and exciting video for me to show you. Little background on this. I liked, my favorite color is color green, followed very closely by orange. And I started taking a liking to fuchsia bags. I have an older Coach bag, and then I have my Coach Cassie that's up here. But something happened when I got this beautiful mulberry bag. It's got the pebbled leather. I fell in love with this bag. It made me love mulberry bags even more. But there's just something about that color, which then prompted me to get my Picotin bag in the really bright pink, and or my Speedy in the denim monogram. It didn't stop with bags. I got a mulberry bag, a mulberry wallet here. I'm actually using my Bulgari wallet that's this color as well. I have a Gucci wallet that's that color. YSL that's similar in color. When I got my first personalized pochette, it's got that color. When I got this little wallet, it's that color. Something about that color just stirs something in me. And that's fine. I got my bags. I got my Louis Vuitton denim, and I thought, okay, that's it. Now don't need any more bags that are similar in color to that. Until I happened across this ring. I've shown it before. It's Hermes. It's a ring in the rose extreme color. So I got that, and I knew I wanted something else. So I bought this little, is it Batista? In a rose color too, but this is a darker rose. Thought it would scratch the itch. It scratched the itch on getting one of these because I don't have one, but the color wasn't just quite right. So imagine my surprise when I was able to snag this Kelvy card holder in the Rose Extreme, which is just absolutely gorgeous. But that wasn't enough. Now, I was never on a journey for something like this. In fact, I didn't think I would ever own something like this. Never entered my mind. I thought it was crazy. I thought that...
Ditto.
Playing the game... Wow, the cameraman's quiet today. Playing the game is just not something I wanted to do. Even watching Caleb Snell get so excited about his Kelly and then his Birkin. No, I watch Cassie Thorpe. Oh, talk about a girl who's got beautiful bags from Hermes. Her mini Kelly, her Birkins. Oh, the stuff you can dream of. Dale got her beautiful Birkin now, which I think is just gorgeous. But still, even those greens, it just never piqued my interest enough until I found this.
Take your laptop away.
No, on Fashion File. It came with the bag. It came in the color that I wanted, in the hardware that I wanted, in a price that I thought was great. Came with the box, came with the dust bag, came with the lock and 2 keys, came with the dust bag for the lock and 2 keys. And I did it. I did it.
What'd you do?
I'm not proud of it, but I am. I bought an Hermes bag.
So it's not pronounced Hermes the elf?
No,
okay.
It's not. Bet you can't guess what color it is. I bought the Picotin, and I believe it's Clemence leather. It's pebbled leather. In my rose extreme color. It's got the palladium hardware. She's just beautiful. She's got feet.
She's a quadruped.
She's like new, and she's got the suede interior color that matches the color of the bag. The bag is in excellent condition. It came with everything. I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited over this bag. I can't even begin to tell you. I don't know that I'd ever want or get a Birkin or a Kelly. Now I'll never say never because of this. But this bag just... talk about making my heart sing. She's beautiful. I mean, I knew I loved my mulberry, but this color just gets me. And it's different. It's different. See, this one's a little more purpley. Should have never looked at that damn website. Found the ring. It was the ring's fault. 100% the ring.
Yeah, You take no accountability.
I don't.
None. Actually, I think you could probably put a bowling ball in that. That'd be a great bowling ball bag.
Stop it.
No?
So I got the Picotin. I believe this is the Picotin 18.
The Pikachu?
No, if I'm not mistaken. Usually they'll say on here. I'm not good at Hermes because I never thought I'd own one.
It's pronounced Hermes.
It is not. Taurillon Clemence. Yeah, it doesn't say, but I believe it's the Picotin. I believe it's the 18. But she is beautiful. So in all her glory. She's like, there's a side. 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 Reminds you of Charlie's Angels. And bottom with feet. I like the inside too. Stuffed. It's good. I'm gonna get an organizer for it. It says Hermes on the bottom, and then it's got a nice leather panel at the bottom. But to me, this is not a mess as of yet. But I could see where over time in use, it definitely could be. So I'm going to get an organizer for it just to keep it a little more structured than it is right now. But she's mine, and she's a keeper, and she's beautiful. And yeah, I just love it. After I got this like Nagati bag that kind of reminds me of it as well, it just I knew that I would like this style, whereas before this wasn't even on my radar whatsoever. And yeah, she's just beautiful, and she's mine, and she's this great color. And as much as I don't want to be super excited about it, I'm super excited about it.
I'm gonna have to do the parental lock on some of the websites, I think.
No. So yeah, this is my new Hermes bag. Not sure how many more unboxings I'll be having coming up. Might put the hold on that for a little bit. Stop laughing. Vlogmas is coming up though, so I have the means to do lots of collection videos, of which I will do. I will be doing Vlogmas this year. I plan on doing the 1st through the 24th. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm over there as well. You can find me at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. Please like and comment on this video. I absolutely love when people comment on the videos. It gives me a chance to interact with you a little bit and get to know you a little bit more, which I really appreciate. This is a wonderful community. I appreciate you being here and watching.
So do I.
Yeah. So again, subscribe if you haven't already. And put out videos generally on Wednesdays and Saturdays or Sundays. It kind of varies, Tuesdays or Wednesdays, but generally Wednesdays, Saturdays, or Sundays. I'm going to start shooting for more Saturdays. Again, Vlogmas will be coming up in December.
I think we'd all like you to commit.
Okay, I will try to commit. You're so funny. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.